Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by protecting data and isolating the problem. Back up important files, then boot into safe mode so only essential drivers load. Once in safe mode, open Event Viewer to spot recent errors and list any drivers or apps installed in the last 24 to 72 hours. Make sure to disable automatic restart on system failure so you can read blue screen codes. This gives diagnostic clues. These immediate steps let you test stability without repeatedly rebooting into a broken environment. Once done with safe mode checks, run system file checks. sfc/scano, then dism restore to repair corrupted OS files. You'll see progress and results in the console. Next, open Device Manager and update or roll back problematic drivers, prioritizing GPU, chipset, and storage controllers because they commonly cause crashes. Then test disk integrity using chkdsk with /f and /r and review smart data with the Drive Maker's tool. Bad sectors or fail to finalize, apply fixes. If software fixes fail, use System Restore to return to a stable point, then perform a clean boot to identify offending services or apps by selectively enabling items. Make sure to install the latest Windows updates and driver packages from vendor sites, rather than generic sources. If instability continues, run Windows Memory Diagnostic and Receipt or swap RAM, check PSU voltages, and test with minimal hardware. If nothing helps, note error codes and seek hardware replacement. This one troubleshooting tip saves wasted software changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.